Today's contenders are the two remaining TOA who have not yet fought in this tournament. Each brings his own style and fighting techniques.
Just drilling some of my own counter moves and just focusing on what I think would work. I know he's quick, I know he's got short arms, so I might be able to outreach him, keep him at a distance. I think he's a bit whakahihi at times, so I might just hammer him on the ground.
All he says he's got a heavy feet, so I'm guessing be pretty powerful strikes and stuff. Fucking fast, try and make Poutapu do all the running around. Don't think I'm not ready to go meet.
Now for the fight. The TOA debut for these two warriors is underway.
I'm picking a bit of knees, a few elbows, a bit of shoving.
One's obviously taller than the other one, so one will be using a long-ranging style of fighting. The other one will be using a more trying to get in fighting.
No, it's going to be tension. I don't think any of these fights are going to be pretty clean, to be honest.
Give it all or bugger off, I reckon. Piss off him, you know.
Whare in white opens the scores to round one. He lands another to the head of Poutapu in black. Poutapu scores. One minute remains as the TOA settle into the fight. The TOA continue to look for openings to attack. A final point to Poutapu as we end round one. One down, 3 rounds remain.
Yeah, it's going to be a bit of tension, bro. They're both going to go in there to go and smash it up.
Ki oki whakaro, ko te wini tōku whanaunga, ko te whare kōtsua, no te aroa, ana, ke te putu ia I Poutapu.
Ko whare, ko tana tino pūkengane, he tino tere wana pāwa. Engari rā Poutapu, ako ane ngā mahi samurai ni.
I don't think it's going to be an ultimate clean fight. Yeah.
Round 2. Great skill shown here by Whare. Poutapu starts to stalk his opponent and seems weary of Whare's speed and agility. Poutapu stands firm and lands his attack. A show of strength from Poutapu as we near the end of round 2.
Ko tautau anau I tōku whanaunga whare. Te aho nei, E rahi ake a Poutapu e tangata tāroaroa.
I think this fight's going to be, I think by round 3, when the boys are pretty much on the edge, you might see some Ninja Turtle tactics come in or something.
Even blows. Yep.
Yeah, I'd say Whare's got the definite speed over Poutapu.
As hard as you go, you're still gonna go bite the hoe, bro.
Start to round 3. Poutapu is warned for kicking his opponent. Both TOA are fighting well, yet exhaustion must be setting in during these final rounds. Each attempt to attack will become more and more demanding. Great precision from Poutapu to the side of Whare. Another point to Poutapu, aiming for the head of the opponent. The TOA continue to probe, earning as much points as possible before the end of round 3. Whare lands the closing attack.
Hard to say who's going to come out on top in the end. Two different styles of fighting.
I think the Whare Koto will come out. He's set and he's really determined.
It'll be a good rough fight, but in the end, one of them will come out.
Ki taku nei tiranga ko Poutapu. Ka puta I te ahi nei.
Fourth and final round. Who will win and continue on in this tournament? Great attack from Poutapu. Te hoki tētahi ki te kāinga. A speedy strike from Whare. The TOA continue with caution, so not to give away any unnecessary points to their opponent. It's proving to be a very close fight. Whare lands a quick attack. Poutapu responds with a counter-strike also. The TOA fight it out to the bitter end. End of round 4.
I noticed every time I got in, Bro hit me on the head. Much me being taller, so yeah, that was a bit of a struggle.
I was just trying to last out the 4 and then trying to sort out what the opponent was doing.
A tēnā koto e te kāhui toa, tēnā korua ngā toa whawhai. Nā, i wainganui i tēnei whawhai, he tino tatarau. Me ki, ka tahi e rua piro pēr, i wainganui i a kōrua. Nō reira, ko tatu māno ki tēnā wā, kia whakahuati ake, ko wai, ka neke ki taumata ke, a ko wai, ko tā ki tōna taumata. Nō reira, ko te toa, ka puta, I tēnei taumata tātai rākau. Kei tēnei taha, whare. Hongi, te tau ai te rongo. Tēnā perahiga!
Just to myself, I thought I might have lost that one, but felt a bit rusty. First time on, been a couple of days, and yeah, it was hard. And yeah, too much in my opinion.
I wouldn't do anything different. I'm just glad I came. Had a good time. I feel good. Yeah. What I've learned here and the time I've spent here, I won't forget. So I'll be taking those memories with me. Made a lot of good friends, so yeah, I'll definitely be keeping in touch with them along the line.
Being taller, yeah, just made it a bit more hard for me, trying to get in, block more and get the points. Tēnā koe hoa, awesome fight. Keep your head up and kia kaha, mauri toa.
Most probably I'm going to be seeing them around the place, so we'll be networking and stuff, so that's good. Remember our tupuna, they were all warriors, hold that within yourselves. Be warriors, be the chiefs that they were, and do those things to date, and be proud of who we are. Māori, mauri toa.
Maui Productions.